Adjectives don't just describe things, they also help us compare them. This is where comparatives and superlatives are important. Take the word big. When we want to compare two things, we use the comparative form. For example, my desk is bigger than yours. Here, bigger is the comparative form of big. Now, if we want to say that something is bigger or more important than everything else, we use the superlative form. For example, we could say, my desk is the biggest in this office. Here, biggest is the superlative form of big. We've already looked at regular and irregular forms, but let's take another look at how to make comparatives and superlatives. For most one-syllable adjectives, we add ER to form the comparative and EST to form the superlative. For instance, fast, positive, faster, comparative, fastest, superlative. If the one-syllable adjective ends in E, we simply add R for the comparative and ST for the superlative. For example, large, positive, larger, comparative, largest, superlative. If the one-syllable adjective ends in a single consonant and is preceded by a single vowel, we double the final consonant before adding ER for the comparative and EST for the superlative. For instance, big, positive, bigger, comparative, biggest, superlative. For adjectives with two or more syllables, use more before the adjective for the comparative and most for the superlative. Example, beautiful, positive, more beautiful, comparative, most beautiful, superlative. Longer adjectives ending in Y are often changed by replacing Y with IER for the comparative and IEST for the superlative. Happy, positive, happier, comparative, happiest, superlative. There is one more important thing to remember. Some adjectives have irregular forms. For example, good, positive, better, comparative, best, superlative. Remember, when comparing, we often use than to connect the two things. For superlatives, the comes before the adjective. My desk is bigger than yours. That meeting was more productive than expected. This project is the longest one we've done. That email to my boss was the most difficult to write. Learning about comparatives and superlatives helps you describe things more precisely. Maybe you're talking about language or simply discussing the comfort of a sofa. But either way, knowing these forms will make your words more interesting.